Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Geico Auto Insurance. Review my claims and savings experience. Geico Auto Insurance offers car insurance policies tailored to individual driver needs. Their target audience is anyone looking for car insurance, from new drivers to experienced ones. Key features typically include liability coverage, collision coverage, comprehensive coverage, and various add-ons like roadside assistance. Their website provides details on the different coverage options and allows you to get quotes. Geico emphasizes ease of use and often highlights competitive pricing and potential savings compared to other insurers. They advertise various ways to get a quote, including online, by phone, or through a local agent. Availability is nationwide, and you can easily check for specific coverage options in your area on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Geico Auto Insurance. Getting started was pretty straightforward. I went to their website and used their online quoting tool. Entering my information was easy, and I appreciated how clearly they presented different coverage levels and explained what each one covered. Navigating the site was intuitive, and I could quickly compare different policies and see how adjusting deductibles and coverage amounts affected the premium. I also liked the accident forgiveness feature they offered. Once I chose a policy, the sign-up process was all digital and quick. The standout feature for me was the Geico mobile app. It's incredibly user-friendly. I could access my insurance card, view policy details, request roadside assistance, and even file a claim directly from the app. The claim process was surprisingly smooth. I had a minor fender bender a few months ago, and I was able to submit photos of the damage and other required information right through the app. Geico kept me updated on the claim's progress via email and text messages, and the whole process was resolved within a week. I did have a quick question about the repair estimate, and their support responded within a day via email with a clear answer. One minor drawback was that the initial quote online seemed a bit lower than the final price after speaking with an agent, though they explained the reasons for the difference clearly. It took a little while to get used to all the different coverage options and discounts available. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience with Geico. The combination of a user-friendly website and mobile app, a relatively smooth claims process, and readily available customer support made for a positive experience. While the initial quote discrepancy was a slight hiccup, it wasn't a deal-breaker. That's my overview of Geico Auto Insurance. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.